DIY herb garden balcony. Growing herbs on a balcony are incredibly easy. Most herbs require little attention, grow quickly, and stay alive all year. Why grow a balcony herb garden? The most obvious reason for growing herbs on a balcony is so you have a constant fresh supply for your cooking. The difference between fresh and dried herbs is incredible, and having them on hand makes a big difference. Also, an apartment balcony herb garden doesn't take up much space. This makes it a good growing project for those with small balconies. Considerations before growing herbs on your balcony. There isn't a ton that you need to consider before starting a herb garden. The most important things are: balcony position. Most herbs enjoy full or partial sunlight, so any balcony facing a southerly direction is ideal. If your balcony faces a northerly direction, just go for herbs that enjoy the partial shade. Weather. You can grow herbs in pretty much all climates. Hardy ones, such as mint and rosemary, can withstand snow, but it's always a good idea to bring them indoors in the winter. Space. You don't need much space to grow herbs. Some, rosemary, get really big but are happy to be pot-bound in smaller containers. If you're really short on space, you can even grow herbs in soda bottles. Best herbs for a balcony garden. The herbs you pick for your balcony herb garden should be based on what you'll actually use. Basil, oregano, rosemary, and mint are common in recipes, but it ultimately depends on what you'll use. The following are good choices for an apartment balcony herb garden because they're easy to care for and don't need much space. Mint also repels bugs, 55 to 70 F. Lemon balm also repels bugs, 55 to 70 F. Rosemary, 55 to 70 F. Basil, 65 to 85 F. Oregano, 55 to 75 F. Cilantro, 60 to 70 F. Bay leaf, 50 to 70 F. Chives, 60 to 75 F. Sage, 70 to 85 F. Best balcony herb planters. You can grow herbs in any container that has drainage. For larger herbs like rosemary and mint, use floor planters. But, for smaller herbs, you can use a balcony herb planter on your railings. Alternatively, you can build an effective vertical herb garden using anything from wall boxes and fabric shoe racks to a custom DIY option. Herb growing instructions will always suggest an ideal pot size. Use this as a guide, though, as most herbs are happy being pot-bound. How to start an herb garden on your balcony. To start a balcony herb garden, you'll need herb seeds for whatever you want to grow. A seed tray. Multi-purpose compost mixed 60/40ths with sand. Suitable pots. The method is as follows. Germinate the seeds by placing them in the seed tray. Keep them indoors, spritzing them with water once a day, and they should sprout in about a week. After 2 weeks or so, pop the seed and soil out of the tray and transfer them into its main pot. Slowly acclimate it to outdoor temperatures by leaving it outside and then bringing it in again. Increase the time outside gradually over a week or so. Most fast-growing herbs should be ready to harvest within 4 to 6 weeks. How to maintain your balcony herb garden. Most herbs need only basic care, and many can survive an occasional forgotten watering. Even so, follow these tips for the best results. Watering. This really depends on your climate, the size of the pot, and the size of the plant. Aim to water once a week at least or when the top inch of the soil feels dry. Water deeply, allowing it to run out of the drainage holes. Fertilizing. Herbs enjoy a feed every now and then. Use an all-purpose liquid fertilizer about 3 times during the growing season, spring and summer. You don't need to feed them in the fall and winter. Pruning. Healthy herbs should be trimmed to keep them in good shape. Of course, you can do this by harvesting strategically. Pinching off the top set of leaves from a stem will cause lateral buds, resulting in a fuller plant. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.